Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. I'm Dwayne, this is Kevin, and today Kevin has an announcement to make. We think it's a big announcement and we want to share it with you guys. All right, Kevin, so what's the announcement?
This is something we've been working on, we're really excited about, and a couple months ago we signed an agreement with the patent holder of the XID VIED products that we are now the exclusive manufacturer of those products, the XID, the VIED products for all Harley Davidsons. So we've taken over manufacture of them, and we are now the exclusive manufacturer worldwide for Harleys on the XID and VIED products.
That's right. And if you're not familiar with the XID VIED products, it's a fuel management device that enriches your air-fuel ratio on the bike. It's a very cost-effective way to do it. It's just a small unit. I'll pull a picture up here. And it's an alternative to a full tuner, such as a Power Vision or a TTS tuner.
Dwayne, what Harley owner would want to run an XID or a VIED product instead of a Power Vision or an FP3?
That's a great question. A lot of people out there have stock bikes. Stock bikes have a very lean fuel management from the factory. So this is a very easy and cost-effective way to enrich in that tune. A lot of people want to add just an air cleaner. You introduce more air to the system, you want to compensate with more fuel. This is a great way to do that. Some people just want to add exhaust. This is a great way to compensate for that. Some people want to add both and have a stage 1 tune. XID, VIED will do that for you. Lower engine temperature, lower exhaust temperature, improve throttle response, reduce surging, and reduce pinging. Currently, we offer them for touring and trike models, 2010 to 2016 models, including the twin-cooled models. Softails, 2012 to 2017.
All EFI Sportsters. The M8s, we're working on it. I don't know if it's a month or 6 months, but as soon as we can, we're going to be starting to manufacture the XIDs and the VIEDs for the M8s, both Softail and Bagger. So they take care of the hesitation, they take care of the surging, and they're dynamic. The way that they work, and we're going to do a whole other video on how they work.
Yeah.
But the way they work is dynamic. So they will enrich the mixture however much you need for a stock setup, stock air cleaner, stock exhaust. But if you put on a free-flowing air cleaner, free-flowing exhaust, they'll enrich the tune even more because they're dynamic and they know that you put those free-flowing on there because of the readout. And they know, and then they enrich the tune even more. So let's close out this video with some of the reviews that customers have left over the years with us. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up.
Hit that notification bell so you'll be updated when our next video comes out.
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It helps us out. It doesn't cost you anything.
That's right. You guys ride safe out there.